Then now let's begin. This place is so nice during summer. There is a special part where we can go. Yes, and this is very, if you are living here in Herning, this is very popular during summer. This place is very famous where they held some school activity, for example, or like concert. So they do it here, and then if you during summer they also do the picnic, and it's so nice here. But right now it's a winter, so I will show you the difference between winter and the summer. And sorry guys for my English, because I was trying. I'm living here in Denmark for almost 9 years now, and I'm learning their language, so I mix the English and Danish. Sometimes I already forget how to speak in English, so I mix everything. So yes, so I mix the language, so I'm not so confident to speak English. But some of my supporters, my subscribers, thank you for staying on my YouTube channel. I will try to speak English for you guys to understand what am I trying to say. I came from Philippines. I'm a new YouTuber here. Even though my YouTube channel has been a long time, but I was just been active last month, so I was trying to show you how it looked like Denmark. See how it looked like. There are some ducks. Sometimes we go here to feed them, but it's not healthy to feed them, they say, because the more you feed them, the more they will create bacteria and what do you call this one, and it's not nice. So they suggested to let this duck eat the natural food, where for example insects. Yes, so let's begin again to walk here. This is what I'm talking about, where they do a big concert. Sometimes it's for free, but sometimes it's you need to pay. Yes, see, look at that guys, a duck. If they are, all this duck is in the Philippines, they are all dead now because of those people who drink alcohol. If I can catch them, I will going to take and bring them home so I can make balut. It's a native food from my country. So we just walk and walk. Yes, it's so nice to walk, and sometimes every day. I mean, especially if you are living in the Europe, where it's winter, there's no summer, and they say if you go outside by the nature, it's also help you to unrelieve or to be stress free, because here in Denmark we always work and it's so stressful everyday life. We don't have time to relax sometimes, especially like me, where I am living here in Denmark without family. My husband also, because he came from France and I came from Philippines. So that is the, yeah, maybe I'll go this way, so we try. So this one, you know what, here in Denmark, the city hall. We call it city hall or common in Danish, and also the health ministry. They just suggested that more exercise. It's good for everybody, so we live longer, and they have a lot of activities where it's for free, where you can timbel, or how to say it in English, where you can register, I mean, and it's for free. Because if you, I don't know if other country do that, the more you live healthy, and yeah, then you are more living longer. Because here in Denmark now, mostly the death rate, I don't know how you say it, there's a place where for the kids, the death more, I don't know how you say it, the death for the woman is average about 80. I don't know exactly, but I'm going to ask Google. And the man is about maybe 85 years. And now it's very in demand here in Denmark, the caregiver or nurses. Yes, look guys. That one is the playground for the kids. It's for free also. So during summer I bring my kids here. You know what guys, you don't need to, especially for the mom like me, you don't need to bring your kids in the very expensive place. For example, you can just bring your kids outside in the playground like this, and just bring a very not fancy food, just to make fun, or yeah. Nice. So guys, this is the typical place. I hope I can show you more one day. So this is it guys. Yeah. So guys, there's nothing fancy here. This is very famous in Denmark, also especially here in Herning, because here they do, they run, they do the bicycle. I think this one is for the bicycle. Yes, sometimes there's a fruits here, like a wild berries. So next time I will show you how it looks like. All these berries is for free, like the blueberries and raspberry. Yes, this one, and it's so nice, guys. Blackberry. Yes. So now that's it for today. So see you again next time. Bye guys.